the question of the discrimination of advocates, be they of fewer years or older years, with respect to vying for the LSK election. Right now, the matter is in court, so due to the law, I cannot talk much about it. However, our goal is very simple. We shall not accept discrimination in the Law Society of Kenya by itself being a legal organization in Kenya. Secondly, we do hope that the courts will uphold the Constitution by declaring the requirement for various age limits in vying for the LSK positions null and void. However, today, we are crossing our fingers as we wait for the judgment on Monday and hope that the Constitution will be held. And right now, I'm here with my senior, Mr. Nelson Harvey, who is vying for the position of the President of the LSK, and he will talk more about it. Thank you.
Thank you. Age limit must fall is a slogan that has determined our campaign in respect of a brave new bar. Why do we say so? We say so because we cannot have a situation whereby about 80% of the membership of the Law Society of Kenya is being forced to elect their leaders within a confine of a small elitist club of less than 15 or 20% of the membership. And it's for that reason, therefore, that when the Secretariat of the Law Society, and we maintain it is the Secretariat of the Law Society that made the decision not only to exclude Nelson Harvey, but many other candidates, because about 60 candidates applied, less than 25 were admitted to run. Now, if you look at the manner in which the Secretariat handled this thing, it's quite evident that the Secretariat of the Law Society of Kenya has been the problem that has bedeviled all lawyers. Because this is an office that is appointive, it's not elective. And you can imagine an appointive office purporting to determine who the member should elect and who the member should not elect. And we've said this is a quest that we'll pursue not only before a court of law, because age limit must fall is not just a legal issue. It's a societal issue, it's a moral issue, it's a political issue, it's a membership issue. In a democratic society, it is given that upon attaining the age of majority, which is 19, one is qualified to run for office. In fact, in Kenya here, one can run for office of President of the Republic of Kenya. And then we are told that one cannot run for office of President of the Law Society of Kenya. Our lawyers have done a very good job at it. We are convinced that they have surmounted the obstacles that lay ahead of us. The court has indicated that it will quickly look into this matter and give us a decision on the 5th of February, that is Monday. But we encourage all our members, and these are the members that represent Lawyers for Change, to continue pushing our agenda for age limit must fall. Age limit must fall will not rest with the decision of the court on the 5th of February. It will rest with the decision of the members when it comes to the ballot on the 22nd of February 2018, or any such a time as we shall have an election. You saw what happened yesterday. There was a complete blackout of the media. And we need to have a leadership that can handle things of this kind. We cannot have a leadership of the Law Society that is state apologistic. We cannot have a leadership of the Law Society that keeps quiet, doesn't speak. The Law Society that we've had for the last 2 years has spoken very little on matters of public interest. And it is for that reason that we want to rejuvenate the society. We need lawyers with energy, people like Joy, people like Rose, people like myself, people like Osundo, people like Handa, with me here. These are the individuals that have vigor and energy. We don't want the Law Society to be a resting home for old lawyers who do not have the interest of the majority of the population. So we will be on the campaign trail as we have been, and it is a hope that we'll be on the ballot and we'll win this thing very early in the morning. Asanteni sana.